ओम अस्तु प्रक्षालनं नमः। ओम पवित्रं पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान्वितो वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सर्वायभ्यन्तरः शुचिः।
ओम पवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान्गतोऽपि वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सर्वयभ्यन्तरशुचि। ओम पुण्डरीकाक्षं पुनातु, ओम पुण्डरीकाक्षं पुनातु, पुण्डरीकाक्षं पुनातु। इधर आइए सर, आप पुष्प
ओम गणानां
हवामहे प्रियाणां त्वा प्रियवतिगुं हवामहे निर्हीनां त्वा निर्वतिगुं हवामहे वसो मम आहम जानि गर्भधमा त्वमजासि गर्भधम् अम्बे अम्बिकें बालिके नमानयति कशनः सदृशगः सुभद्रिकां काम्भीरवासिनीं श्रीगणेशाम्बिकाभ्यां ध्यायामि नमः पूजयामि नमः। सर्वोपचारार्थे गंधाक्षत पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि नमः। माँ सरस्वती का ध्यान कीजिए, हाथ में अक्षत पुष्प लेके इससे अच्छा। ओम शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचार सार परमां आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणां पुस्तकधारिणीं अभयदां जाड्यान्तकारावहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां। मां सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः। गन्धाक्षतपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि।
सर आपको भी दर्शन
ओम चंद्रमा मनसो जात चक्षुः सूर्यो
अजायत श्रोत्राद्वायुष प्राणच मुखादग्निरजायत।
दीपं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदां सर्वशत्रुविनाशार्थं दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते।
दीपदेवाय नमः, ज्योतिस्वरूपाय नमः।
दीपदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः।
सर आप ये ज्योति ये थाली को पकड़ो और सर को
वहाँ पे होल्ड रख लो ना जूते।
fosters our intelligence, grant us prosperity as we are engaged in the study of scriptures and the practice of truth in them. Om, peace here, peace above, peace all around. Swasti is a benediction or a blessing seeking the well-being of people and places. It is declaration of faith in God and soul. One may use it to invite peace and well-being, or drive away negative or destructive forces. It is a standard spiritual expression which is used in social interactions, religious congregations, to express one's good intentions or positive feelings. Besides, it is also a good framework of mind and speech. Namaskar, heartiest felicitations and greetings to one and all present here. It is my distinct privilege to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Shri Om Thanvi, Vice Chancellor Haridev Joshi University of Journalism and Mass Communication, Jaipur, Chairman and members of School Managing Committee and Advisory Board, and other dignitaries to the solemn ceremony of Ashirvachana. I would also extend our warm welcome to our parents for joining us on this special occasion. Kindly be seated. We have all gathered here to give a formal send-off to the outgoing batch of Class 12. It seems just yesterday when these young birds walked down the school corridors with sparkling imaginations in their eyes, pangs of fear and loads of expectations in their hearts. And today these fully grown birds with their outstretched wings are ready to soar high in the sky, eager to explore new horizons. We hope your dreams take you to the corners of your smiles, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special places your heart has ever known. O Ganapati with twisted tusk and great body, and the one who shines with the brilliance of 10 million suns, please remove obstacles in my path, always and in all times. According to Indian tradition, any auspicious occasion begins with a prayer to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, the deity of good fortune. So let's pray to him to invoke his blessings. After Ganesh Vandana, we will have school Vedic prayer, followed by Sarvadharma Pratna. I request you all to kindly rise for the same.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वत्र देवहि सदा वन्दिता सा सरस्वती वरदे निशेषजाड्यापा नमोस्तुते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुल्लाय विद्याय वाग्देवी त्वया
Kindly be seated. We are deeply appreciative of our chief guest for having spared his valuable time to join us here and enhance our joy. May I now request Honorable Chairman Bhavans Jaipur Kendra, Shri V.C. Surana ji, to present a green pole to our esteemed guest, Shri Om Tanvi ji, as a token of respect and reverence. Thank you, sir. I now request our respected Sir Principal to formally introduce and welcome our distinguished chief guest.
मैं तो इधर से आगे निकल जाऊंगा
Namaskar to everyone present here. On this solemn occasion, it is my privilege to welcome our chief guest for the day, Shri Om Tanvi ji, our Chairman Vidyashram Jaipur Kendra, Shri V.C. Surana ji, Chairman of School Managing Committee, Dr. V.S. Sisodia ji, other members of Advisory Board, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat ji, Director of Jaipur Kendra, Captain Indian Navy B.C. Kumawat ji, Consultant Suruchi Kendra, Madam Kachwara ji, dear parents, volunteers, teachers and my dear students. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Tanvi ji is a known personality in the echelons of journalism. Let me introduce our chief guest to you all. Sir started his journalism career in 1977 by contributing articles to Weekly, Marudeep and Yug Prakash while he was still completing his studies in business studies from Rajasthan University. Sir entered the mainstream journalism in 1978 with Itwari from Rajasthan Patrika. Thereafter, Sir joined Jansatta, the National Hindi Daily, and headed the Chandigarh Jansatta when the Punjab was in the grip of terrorism and all institutions of democracy, including the press, were under severe attack, but Jansatta remained the only paper that did not succumb to the code of conduct imposed by the terrorists on media. He was with Jansatta from the Indian Express Group for 26 years, from 1999 to 2015. He engaged prominent writers and thinkers and daily columnists and contributors. His own column, Anantar, remained most talked about column on the paper. Sir has written travelogues and critical essays. His book, Mohenjo-daro, a travelogue tracing remains of the Indus Valley civilization, was widely acclaimed in the literary circles. This is not all. Sir has been Secretary General of Editors Guild of India for 2 terms, as well as Vice President of South Asian Free Media Association. He was member of the National Integration Council, headed by Prime Minister of India, and is on the Advisory Council of India International Centre, New Delhi. Sir has been deeply involved with the environmental activities. In 1986, he was awarded the Journalism Fellowship by Centre for Science and Environment to study conventional water harvesting methods of the desert. Sir is a frequent political commentator on major Hindi TV network, mainly with NDTV, RSTV, Aaj Tak, ABP News, News Nation and ETV. Sir has been the recipient of many awards and prizes as well. To name a few, Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Puraskar for Journalism by the President of India, Shamsher Samman for Prose, Haldi Ghati Award for Journalism, SARC Literacy Award and Hindi Academy Award. He has recently been awarded Bihari Samman by K.K. Birla Foundation for his book Mohenjo-daro. It is very important for me to inform the gathering that Sir belonged to the teaching family, with his father being a teacher. Following the footsteps of his father, he took to teaching by being a visiting professor at the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru University at the Center for Media Studies, School of Social Sciences. Currently, Sir has been rendering his expertise by being Vice Chancellor of Haridev Joshi University of Journalism and Mass Communication. We welcome you, sir. I am sure that your presence and words of wisdom from you will definitely help our students showing correct path in their journey of being a constructive member of our society. We are here today in order to extend our blessings to the outgoing batch of class 12 students. These brand ambassadors of our school would be leaving the portals of the school to carve a niche for themselves. I am sure we have equipped them with the relevant tools to ensure that they are able to differentiate between right and wrong, correct and incorrect, and allow them to establish peace and order with their actions wherever possible. They will be establishing the flag of Bhavans to inspire others in the society by being moralistic, ethical, and rule-abiding citizens of our country. The youth is the backbone of any country, and we are fortunate that India is the youngest country in this respect, with the average age of an Indian being 28 years only. Bhavans, as an institution, has always instilled its students with values which allow these young ambassadors to live a life which is not only full of materialistic needs but also of spiritual substance as well. I, on behalf of the entire Bhavans family, wish them all the good luck for their upcoming exams and the life ahead. We would be waiting for listening from them about their success and happiness always. Wish you good luck. May the Almighty be with you always. Stay connected.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Martin Luther King Jr. said, and I quote, "The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education." Bhavans envisages holistic and harmonious development of physical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, moral and aesthetic sides of students. It provides them with ample opportunities to shape and form their personality in such a way that they are able to play their part in life and achieve success in all fields. Each Bhavanite stands as a testimony to this fact. Now, I would invite Srimati Pooja Paliwal ma'am to introduce class 12A and highlight the achievements of the students.
Namaskar everyone. I, Pooja Paliwal, am here to introduce class 12th A on behalf of the class teacher Shri Anup Tapadia. Class 12th A is a science section with subject English, Physics, Chemistry, Maths and optional subject Physical Education and Information Practices. To begin with, Akriti Abhay Singh. Akriti has been with us since 2010. She is a disciplined child with friendly demeanor. She is capable of soaring to greater heights. Diligence and dedication will help her achieve her dreams. Aryan Sharma. Aryan is a friendly, joyful and outgoing personality. He has been with us since 2015. He has an imaginative and creative mind. Dedication and perseverance shall help him strike a balance between academics and activities. We wish him success in all his future endeavors. Anjali Jorwal. Anjali joined the school in class 7th. She is a bright, confident and self-assured child. She is a member of the school prefectorial council. Her responsible nature has helped her to win a place for herself in a school council. We wish her success in future. Aryan. A humble, decent and disciplined boy, Aryan speaks less but comes across a warm-hearted person. He joined the school in class 3rd. He has always been passionate about computers. Diligence and dedication shall help him succeed in all future endeavors. Ayushi Agrawal. A sober, creative, self-disciplined girl. She is a member of a school prefectorial council. Her sincerity and dedication towards her work is her asset. She has always been keen in her pursuit to perfection. Divyansh Sharma. Divyansh is a sober, considerate and social child who is always smiling. He joined the school in 2010. Sports and games have also fascinated him. He has participated in various athletic events. Priyanshu Tatu. Humble, courteous and introvert Priyanshu takes time to open up. He has been here with us since 2015. He is a self-motivated and has always been working hard to strike a balance both in academics and activities. Suvagya Malya. A confident, assertive and lively girl. Suvagya joined the school in 2010. She is a member of a school prefectorial council. She believes in minding her own business and does not meddle with anyone's affairs. She is ambitious and performs well in academics. Abhinav Singhal. Abhinav joined the school in year 2010. He is a cheerful boy with lots of optimism. He is composed even in the most challenging circumstances. He has participated in various sports activities in his school. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Aditya Sharma. Aditya joined the school in year 2015. He is a humble student with keen interest in drama. He is an excellent orator, dramatist. He possesses good listening and observation skill and is capable of bringing laurels to his academic pursuits. We wish him success in all his future endeavors. Ansh Singh. Ansh has been with us since 2010. He is a confident and creative. His friendly demeanor helps him share a good camaraderie with his peer group. His inclination towards sports activity has been praiseworthy. Anvi Sahu. Anvi joined the school in year 2010. She is a cheerful girl with lot of optimism. She has a unique capacity to take challenges in healthy way. She loves to work at her own pace and infuses lot of enthusiasm around her. We wish her success in all future endeavors. Ayushman Verma. Ayushman joined the school in 2010. He is a cheerful and exuberant child. He has been an active participant in sports. Sincerity and obedience are his assets. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Churchill Bardawat. Churchill joined the school in year 2018. He is a student with lot of potential. He has keen interest in music and science. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Divyansh Yadav. Divyansh is a confident, mature boy with a scientific bent of mind. He joined the school in 2011. He has secured a high percentile in NTSC. He has a lot of caliber and is capable of achieving great heights in future. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Divyanshi Chaudhary. Divyanshi is a humble and respectful girl. She joined the school in year 2010. She speaks less but comes across as a warm-hearted person. Regularity and persistent effort will help her to achieve desired goals in life. Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan is a quiet and sober child. He has always been comfortable with his peers. He remains sincere towards his work and takes utmost interest in completing it on priority. His persistent effort will help him achieve his goals. Ishan Bakde. Ishan possesses a friendly, joyful and outgoing personality. He joined the school in 2010. He is a confident boy. His regularity and commitment shall take him to new heights in future. Nihit Verma. Nihit joined the school in year 2010. He is a quiet and cultured boy with sharp intellect. He has a lot of potential. His hard work and dedication will take him forward. Rishabh Jain. Rishabh is an introvert child. His sense of responsibility and focus has led him to do well in academics. His sincerity and commitment will help him to achieve new heights. Rishi Mishra. Rishi is lively, upbeat child with lots of confidence. He joined the school in class 8th. He is a good sports person. He enjoys games like cricket and football. With his intellect and dedication, he shall go a long way to accomplish his dreams. Ritik Kumar. Ritik joined the school in class 9th. His responsible behavior led him to become a school prefect. He has a lot of potential. His hard work and dedication will take him forward. Rohit Sharma. Enthusiastic, friendly and adaptable Rohit gets along well with everyone. He has been here with us since class 4th. His enterprising nature, extrovert and helpful personality sets him apart from the rest. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Shivam Kumar. A humble, reserved and quiet child, Shivam joined the school in 2013. He is comfortable with his peers and enjoys their company. He has an inclination for sports. He possesses a lot of caliber that needs to be explored. Consistent effort and self-confidence will do wonders for him. Siddhant Saxena. An affectionate and cultured boy, Siddhant joined the school in 2010. He does not hesitate to extend a helping hand. He has lot of potential. Hard work and dedication will take him forward. Vishal Amat. Decent and industrious Vishal joined the school in class 3rd. He is highly ambitious and persevere to do his best. He is deeply inclined towards JEE exam. A blend of will and work shall take him forward in academics. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Yash Rai. A sober, well-behaved, helpful and responsible boy, Yash joined the school in 2010. He is an active and hard-working student. He is amazingly dedicated and committed toward task assigned. His exuberance and sincerity will take him to do wonders. With a heavy heart, I would like to sum up as, dear students, be righteous in your action and dignified in your ways, and do come back sometime to tell us the stories of your success. Wishing you all the best, and now I invite the class teacher of class 12th B, Srimati Pratika Agrawal.
Namaskar everyone. I, Pratika Agrawal, am here to introduce class 12B. It has been my proud privilege to be their class teacher for 2 consecutive years. 12B has a strength of 20 students. It is a science section with the main subjects as English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and optional subjects Physical Education and Psychology. To begin with, Dhruv Sehra. Dhruv is a humble, decent and disciplined boy with a dash of confidence. He joined the school in 2014. He is an articulate person who prefers to be by himself. His easy-go-lucky demeanor is only a facade. He is really determined when it comes to setting goals. Diligence and dedication shall help him achieve great heights. Gaurav Sattawar. Extrovert, energetic and a boy with good sense of humor, Gaurav joined the school in 2015. He has keen interest in sports and has brought laurels to school by winning many badminton championships. Dedication and perseverance shall help him strike a balance between academics and activities. We wish him success in all his future endeavors. Jatin Bhojwani. Jatin joined the school in 2012. He exhibits a vibrant imagination power and loquacious nature. He has an untapped potential which, if utilized, will take him forward. We wish him success in all walks of life. Karanveer Singh. Karan is an unpretentious and strong sportsman who is equally good in studies. He joined the school in 2016. He is an active and respectful student. His dedication will help him do wonders. Mugdha Gupta. Endowed with leadership qualities, Mugdha marches ahead with confidence. She joined the school in 2013. Besides being academically bright and clear-sighted, she justifiably fits the post of school prefect. We wish her success for her future. Nashra Ansari. Nashra joined the school in 2018. She is a sincere girl with friendly disposition who remains composed even in many challenging situations. Just in a span of 2 years, she has adapted very well to the school system. She has been a NCC cadet of good repute and has rightly fulfilled her duties as a school prefect. We wish her luck for all her future endeavors. Parul Vashisht. Parul joined the school in 2011. She is a sincere and hardworking girl who rejoices life with a positive outlook. A confident orator, she believes in putting her best foot forward in the work allocated to her. With dedicated efforts, she is sure to achieve great heights. Priyal Sharma. Priyal joined the school in 2014. Brimming with energy, she is a jolly-natured girl who keeps the atmosphere enlivened. Her bunch of medals won in Taekwondo speak volumes about her sporting prowess. We wish her luck in her future endeavors. Priyanshu Mewal. Priyanshu is a boy with optimistic bent of mind. He joined the school in 2010. Little do people know about his hidden talent of being an amazing artist. He is a terpsichorean too. With focused studies, he will achieve the very best in life. Rajguru Chaudhary. A humble, decent and disciplined boy, Rajguru joined the school in 2010. He speaks less but comes across as a warm-hearted person. He has keen interest in sports. 100% attendance award for 2 consecutive years has added a feather in his cap. We wish him success in all future endeavors. Yashangi Sharma. A joyful, friendly and outgoing personality, Yashangi joined the school in 2015. She balances herself with poise amongst the many demands of student life. She has an ambition to enter the field of research. Consistent efforts will surely take her to the top. Bhumika Meena. Bhumika is a decent, disciplined and self-motivated girl who holds a desire to prove her ability. She joined the school in 2016. She is an industrious and focused girl who balances herself with poise amongst the many demands of students' life. She is bound to achieve her goals with her dedication. Darshika Nandini. As placid as a lake, Darshika hides in herself a wealth of talents which find outlet only when time demands. She joined the institution in 2014. In capacity as a school prefect, she has done a fine job. She will surely conquer great heights. Disha Mangal. Disha joined the school in 2010 and ever since then she has proved to be an asset to the school. Be it academics, dance, drama or literature, she has a glittering array of achievements to her credit. She holds the position of cultural head girl and is the proud recipient of Principal's Cup for the session 2019-20. She has won prizes in story writing and authored 2 books. We wish her best of luck for her future endeavors. Mansi Pitalia. Serenity is her other name. She is a quiet player of the game. Mansi is an extremely elegant and sober girl who is determined and goal-driven. She joined the school in 2010. Her efficiency has been her benchmark, trait which has yielded her praiseworthy achievements in academics. She was the school topper in class 10. Her perseverance will surely make her stand apart. Raghav Mathur. Confident, assertive and enterprising person, Raghav joined the school in 2010. He believes in minding his own business and doesn't meddle with anyone's affairs. Of joining medical field. He has recently won accolades for himself and school by scoring All India rank 46 in NSTSC and qualifying the second round of KVPY. He will surely succeed by his strong willpower and come up with flying colors. Shubham Sharma. Shubham, an academically bright boy and a true technophile, joined the school in 2015. He reflects maturity and a scientific bent of mind. His earnest endeavors have helped him in becoming the school prefect. His willingness to help makes him the favorite of many. Omisha Saxena. Omisha is a thoughtful and sensitive girl with a creative bent of mind and strong aesthetic sensibilities. She joined the school in 2010. She has a unique capability of accepting challenges in a healthy way. A prolific writer and winner of Astronomy Olympiad, she is an independent girl who wants to pave her own path. We wish her luck in all her future endeavors. Anjali Meena. Stately in her gait and graceful in her manners, Anjali joined the school in 2019. She has earned appreciation for being a worthy student with no mean caliber. We wish her success for a bright future. May fresh perspectives and new vision be the guiding light for their glorious future. Now I invite Sri Mukesh Gangwani, class teacher of 12th C, for further proceedings.
Namaskar everyone. It's a privilege to introduce class 12C. With a strength of 29 students, it is a commerce section with subjects accountancy, business studies, economics, English and optional subjects like mathematics, IP, psychology, physical education and commercial arts. To begin with, Dhruvika Gupta. Academically brilliant, extremely motivated and a very good leader, Dhruvika is a proud recipient of Scholar Blazer for Commerce History. She is with us since 2010. She was being appointed as a member of School Prefectorial Council in class 11, and this year she has executed her duties dedication as the head girl of the school. She is a versatile person who, with soaring oratory skills and unmatched academics, is sure to bask the glory of success. Harshit Kara. Harshit, the cultural head boy of the school, joined us in class 4. He is a multifaceted gem, a brilliant star with epitome of honesty, dedication and talent. His excellent academic performance is further fortified with a notable collection of oratorical and dramatic activities. He got Best Diligent Award in Bhavan's MUN. Along with this, he has been actively participating in various sports events such as table tennis, cricket, etc. Rupesh Soni. Rupesh is a passionate guitarist and a singer par excellence. He joined the school in class 8. He has shown his technical skills by participating in various PowerPoint and business plan presentations. He is an important member of school band group and also served as a volunteer in various functions. Siddharth Vijay. A sincere and diligent boy, Siddharth has been with us since 2010. He is a keen learner with impeccable etiquette. Being a sports enthusiast, he has actively participated in various sporting events like inter-school basketball tournament, inter-house volleyball and cricket competition, 200-meter sprint and long jump. His contribution as volunteer is Soumya Chaudhary. A A courteous and groomed boy, well versed with his academics, Somit joined class 8. His calmness and quietude speaks volume of his deep and composed demeanor. With his fine capacity, he has proven himself in Commerce Wizard, organized by Institute of Chartered Accountant. He has also shown his sportsmanship by reaching at district level of table tennis tournament. Vidhi Agarwal, blessed with an amalgam of refined grace and inner beauty, she has all. Vidhi is with us since 2010. With her passion to dance, she has been an important member of group dance performance on Teachers' Day. With her sincere attitude, she has volunteered not only in class activities but also in many major school events. Agran Jain. He is bound to gather accolades wherever he goes, whether sports, drama, etc. He joined the school in class 3. He is an ambitious sports person who has been designated as the captain of inter-house cricket and football team. Other than this, he has actively participated in various badminton tournaments, whether at inter-school level, district level, or in CBSE cluster. Dev Lalwani. Dev is a committed and responsible student who joined us in class 6. His brilliant mind and matchless work ethics make him an absolute treasure. As a sincere and disciplined child, he doesn't hesitate to lend a helping hand in the school programs as volunteer. We wish that his hard work and dedication will take him forward in all spheres of life. Diksha Sharma. Creative excellence blended with the strength of character and calmness of mind gives definition of this sincere girl. Diksha joined the school in the year 2011. She uses her time constructively and is quite competent in her performance. Being artistic and creative by nature, she has contributed in poster making and other designing activities. Her passion for work leads her to contribute to various school programs as a volunteer. Hardik Gupta. A genius with an analytical mind and unquenchable thirst for knowledge, Hardik has been with us since 2011. He has been an important member of School Prefectorial Council, and this year he has been appointed as the captain of Vivek House. He has brought laurels to the school by winning a cash prize in Commerce Wizard. With strong intellectual abilities teamed with enthusiasm, this responsible boy displays firm qualities of a good team leader. Harshit Agarwal. A fun-loving, friendly and well-behaved boy, Harshit joined the school in class 5. With his impressive dramatic skills, he has participated and performed in various drama competitions and at inter-school and intra-school. He loves to be and has served as a volunteer. Manas Pancholi. A humble Manas is an epitome on humility. He has been with us since 2011. He is disciplined and friendly child and the company of his peer group. He has served as a photographer in Bhavan's and has also volunteered in various functions of school. His hard work will take him forward. Joined the school in class 4. He has been actively participating in various sports and cultural activities. Being a sports enthusiast, he has participated in various sports events like inter-school volleyball tournament, athletics, etc. His passion for work leads him to contribute to all school programs as a volunteer. Vidhi Sonawar. a personification of elegance, poise, and decorum. Vidhi is a girl with impeccable etiquette and positive bent of mind. She joined the school in class 8, a committed and responsible student who likes to shoulder responsibilities. She has also proven her artistic and dramatic skills by contributing in many school competitions. Her pleasant demeanor has won her the extra edge over the others. Yash Vijay, a fun-loving, friendly, and very good. Yash has been with us since the beginning. His cooperative and friendly persona makes him outshine his peers. He has also played an important role in many school functions by shouldering responsibilities as a volunteer. He has also shown his versatile character through wall painting competition, inter-house football tournament, etc. Anshuman Ahuja. Anshuman is a calm and an inquisitive learner with a very caring and thoughtful attitude. He has been here since 2014. He enjoys being with his peer group. With an inclination towards sports, he has participated in inter-house cricket competition. He also served as a volunteer in various school programs. With his intellect and dedication, he shall go a long way to complete his dreams. Ashwin Sharma, an outstanding sports person, involvement and enthusiasm makes him an achiever. He joined the school in class 3. True to the form of sports, he has been participating in various sports tournaments like Olympics, RVAC District Athletics, and many other school events. He doesn't hesitate to lend a helping hand in the school programs as volunteer. A miraculous bundle of enthusiasm and energy, Lovely joined the school in class 5. Humility combined with sincerity and obedience is what makes her an exceptional student and every teacher's delight. Very fond of dancing, she participated in most of the cultural programs and functions in the school and has left no opportunity to participate in inter-school dance competitions. Mansi Vazdana, a decent, self-disciplined and polite child. Mansi is with us from last 2 years. She has grown to be modest, introvert but independent girl. She has shown her creative skills in the class softball competition. With her intelligence and dedication, she shall go a long way to accomplish her dreams. Nidhi Vashisht. Nidhi is with us since 2010. She is a disciplined, self-motivated and cheerful girl, an avid reader who is undoubtedly a winner in the making. She has participated in Bhavan Semyon and got honorable mention. She has also got praiseworthy performance in inter-class article writing. Ronak Jain. Ronak joined us in class 3. He is a bright student and a keen quizzer, endowed with commendable intellectual abilities, a rare combination of brilliance in academics and sports. He has brought laurels to the school by winning a cash prize in Commerce Wizard and also by participating in many cultural and sports events, be it India International Modern United Nation or Under 19 District Volleyball, Handball Tournaments, CBSE Cluster, Bhavan's Meet and many more. Sanket Mehta, a responsible boy with rare qualities of a team worker. Sanket joined us in class 3. His reflective behavior keeps him self-contained. However, his passion for work leads him to contribute to all school programs as a volunteer. He shows enthusiasm for classroom activities. Drive and diligence will take him ahead in life. great zeal a very good stage performer as a singer, exemplary actor who has showcased her talent by performing in and work shall take her forward in all spheres of her life. Kajal Sharma. Her calmness and quietude speaks volume of her deep and composed demeanor. Kajal joined the school in class 4. Her hidden talent of singing and acting was a good surprise for all of us on Teachers' Day. As a stable personality with a strongly held value system, she has ability to achieve new heights in life. Kunika Chaudhary. Her prowess transcends her charming smile. Intelligence and sincerity are the main characteristics of Kunika, who joined us in 2 years back in class 11. Although she takes time to open up, but behaves mature in class and believes in minding her own business. She has volunteered for various programs in school. Pragya Jain. An honest, disciplined, and a rare mix of academics. She secured 100% in social studies in class 10. A distinguished orator and diligent speaker, she has been getting appreciation in photography, essay writing, business pitch, annual day function, and many more. Radhika Bansal. An extremely dedicated and talented girl, Radhika, joined us in class 7. Her academic excellence and prowess to extracurricular activities makes her the apple of every teacher's eye. She puts forth her best effort in all she does. She is the captain of Nishtha House and winner of C. Subramaniam Award this year. We are privileged to get an excellent school magazine cover designed by her this year. Her boundless confidence and dedication are sure to take her to the pinnacle. Rashi Jain. With burning desire to excel in all possible fields, this versatile girl is undoubtedly perfection personified. Rashi is with us since 2010. Being artistic and creative in nature, she has been radiating her rare talent by representing the school in many art competition, exhibition, canvas painting, and won laurels for the school. Adding to her profile, she designed an exclusive school magazine and diary cover. Moreover, she also participated in Bhavan Semyon and got High Commendation Award. She is an excellent dancer and has performed in all major school events. Yukta Khatri. Yukta joined the school in class 3. She is a child who manages complexities with ease and decisiveness. With constant hard work, she has shown her creative skill through art exhibition, backdrop designing on major school events, and many more. She brought laurels to school by getting first position in inter-school designing competition. Calm and composed along with creativity, she is truly an asset to the school. Her exuberance and sincerity will help her do wonders. I wish you all the best in all your life endeavors. Now I invite Srimati Vanita Rajpurohit, class teacher of 12D, to introduce her class.
Namaskar. I, Vanita Rajpurohit, am here to introduce Class 12D. It has been a proud privilege of being their class teacher for 2 consecutive years. Class 12D has a strength of 26 students. It is a humanities section, English, history, science, geography, economics and optional subjects like informatics practices, science, commercial arts and physical education. To commence with, Yashaswini Chaturvedi. Yashaswini is an affectionate girl and decent girl who has been here with us since 2010. She has a passion for music and excels in playing keyboard. She has rendered multiple stage performances in various music concerts and achieved recognition. She has also received Outstanding Award for Music this year. Regular and consistent efforts shall help her reach the top. Ishita Khatri, a meritorious girl with pleasant personality, Ishita has been here with us since class 3. Excellent